Alright, so imagine this. You've got the power to max out every setting in your games, crush benchmarks, and still have your PC asking, is that all you got? That's what NVIDIA's RTX 5090 is promising. Today, we're diving deep into what this beast of a GPU brings to the table, the specs, the performance, and whether it's worth your money, or maybe your entire savings account. Stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 hit the shelves in January 2025. And spoiler alert, it's a monster. Built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, it's got DLSS4, which basically means smarter AI for better visuals and smoother gameplay. This is NVIDIA flexing on everyone else, and honestly, they're doing it pretty well. Now, for the spec nerds out there, check this out. Let's talk numbers, because benchmarks don't lie. In Call of Duty Black Ops 6, the RTX 5090 hits 167 frames per second with DLSS in performance mode. Compare that to the RTX 4090's 151 frames per second and the RTX 3090 lagging behind at 91 frames per second. Massive gains, right? Then there's Cyberpunk 2077, ultra settings, ray tracing, DLSS on. The RTX 5090 clocks 125 frames per second, while the 4090 hits 112 frames per second. That's an 11.6% bump, which isn't mind-blowing, but hey, if you're playing at 4K, every extra frame feels like a win. And if you're a purist who refuses to use AI tech, the 5090 still beats the 4090 by about 28%. Not too shabby. Here's where things get spicy. The RTX 5090 starts at $2,000. That's $500 more than the 4090's launch price. For most people, this isn't just a GPU, it's an investment, or maybe even a financial commitment. So, who's this for? If you're a high-end gamer, a creator rendering 8K videos, or just someone who wants the bragging rights of owning the best, this could be worth it. But if you're already rocking an RTX 4090, it might not be time to hit Add to Cart just yet. The performance jump is nice, but not life-changing. Unless you really need that cutting-edge DLSS4 or just want to flex on your friends, you might be better off waiting for the next big leap. Now, if you're sitting on an RTX 3090, the upgrade makes a lot more sense. The 5090 pretty much doubles performance in some games. That's future-proofing right there. The RTX 5090 isn't just demanding, it's hungry. With a TDP of 575 watts, you're looking at a 27.8% jump over the RTX 4090. That means you'll need at least a 1,000-watt power supply unit, though most enthusiasts are going with 1,200 watts to be safe. And cooling? Yeah, you're gonna need it. This card runs hot, so make sure your case has solid airflow, or maybe start looking into water cooling. So here's the bottom line. The RTX 5090 is an absolute powerhouse. It's faster, smarter, and more capable than anything else out there right now. If you're on an older card like the RTX 3090, this upgrade could be game-changing. But if you already have the RTX 4090, the extra performance might not justify the price. Either way, it's clear NVIDIA's still leading the charge in GPU innovation. Alright, that's all for today, folks. Let me know in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade, or are you holding out for something even better? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.